Assalamualaikum beautiful people, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing good. Welcome to your channel Cook with Komal. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please go and subscribe first. So as you know, today we are gonna make a dessert which is firni. So for firni, I'm taking here 1 cup of rice which is crushed, as you can see, in small particles, some almonds, some raisins which is washed and soaked, some pistachios which is crushed, and almonds which is also crushed. Here I took 6 cardamoms which is crushed, and some cashews. Here I took 2.5 cup of sugar. Now I'm taking here 2 kg of milk which is already boiled. Take your rice and take the milk which is in room temperature. Gradually add the milk and mix it. Make sure the rice is completely dissolved in the milk. We will add this rice in the boiling milk gradually. Add the rice gradually in the milk and stir it. After adding rice, you have to stir it continuously. What's your favorite dessert? Let me know in the comment section below. All the rice is added in the milk. We have to cook it like for 10 to 15 minutes. It's been 10 minutes now. I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of cream. Gradually add the sugar. As you can see, it's getting thick. You can see the texture of it. It's like a thick cream. It means it's almost done. Add the cardamom. Add half raisins. Check the consistency. When it's become thick like this, it means it's done. Turn off the flame. Now it's done. 1, 2, and 3 bowls. Okay, now I'm gonna garnish it with some raisins. After raisins, we're gonna add some crushed almonds in the sides. Then we will place some almonds. After adding crushed pistachios, add some cashew nuts. Now it's done. Our garnishing is done now. Now we have to refrigerate it for 1 to 2 hours or 3 hours. Then I will dish it out. I hope you guys like watching this video. If you did, hit the like button and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. Share with your friends and family and share your experience with me in the comment section. We'll meet you in another video with some new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.